Software development is a blend of creativity and technical skill, where we write code to build applications and systems. It starts with understanding project needs, then coding and testing using languages like Python and Java. Before AI, developers spent hours writing code from scratch and debugging, like creating a login feature that took 4-6 hours. Now, AI tools like GitHub Copilot can generate simple functions in seconds, revolutionizing our workflow. AI helps with bug fixing, code generation, and optimization, making our jobs easier and faster. But AI can't replace the creativity and deep understanding that developers bring to complex projects. We can collaborate with AI to boost productivity, allowing us to focus on logic and design. For example, a developer in Vietnam can quickly generate code for a tech e-commerce site using AI, then customize it. Popular AI tools like Cursor and Firebase Studio are reshaping how we code, making it accessible even for beginners. With tools like Cursor, we can write natural language prompts to generate code, saving us 70–80% of development time. In conclusion, AI is transforming software development, allowing us to focus on creativity while automating repetitive tasks.